Hello, welcome. This is another video on our details and detailed component series. This is going to cover legend components. Legend components are part of our component symbols that we're using, and we're going to create a legend. We're going to create a door legend, and we're eventually going to be putting it in on our first floor plan, our first floor plan sheet. So let's go ahead and do that. There's a couple steps we need to go through. If we go to our Annotate tab and go to Component and pull that thing down, there's three that we can choose from: Detail Component, Repeating Component, and the Legend Component. And won't let us pick that because it's all gray. So what do? This is what we do. We have to go to the View tab first, and we have to create that legend first. So if we go to the Legend button in our Create palette, pull that down, go to Regular Legend rather than a Keynote Legend, which is similar to the keynotes that are associated with schedules, which help you populate fields. We're just going to pick the Legend button because this is a fairly simple legend. We're going to call this Door, maybe Door Legend. Oops. And our scale, we're going to make that, we're going to keep that the same scale that our sheet is at, which is going to be 1/4 of an inch is equal to a foot, and go to OK. Next thing we want to do is go back to our Annotate tab. Now that we have a legend created, we're going to go to the Component button and go down to Legend Component. And right now we have what is selected here. You have to look at the options bar. It's kind of tricky because you're wondering, well, what is this line? You keep putting this line out here. We don't want that line. But if you open this up, it shows you all the components that have been installed in the project so far, and we're looking for doors. All of them are doors. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 doors to put in. So we'll start at the top of the list. Curtain wall double glass door, we'll put that in. Second one, go to the next door down, double flush door, which goes into our production area, or it actually goes into the storage area as part of the shop. Single flush door, and eventually single flush door 36-inch rather than the 30-inch. And for some reason I grabbed a chair, so let's go back and grab that door again. Yep, that one. Now while we have these here, we do escape a couple times. If you look in your project browser, it's down here under Legends. So now we have a new folder in here for Legends. It's right above Schedules. We're going to line these up a little bit and make some modifications. I know my curtain wall door, and I don't know why it comes in at a different scale, but I know my curtain wall door is 6 feet. So if I click on that and go over here to my properties, I'm going to make that 6 feet rather than 3 feet. And go to Apply. So that's going to be as big as the other doors. You can space these out. I'm going to try to line these up so that they're lined up on the left rather than the right, or some other, or in the middle, as they may have been. And now we're going to add some text. So this is going to be kind of legend text. So we're going to instead of the 3/32, we're going to do the 1/4 inch. So let's go ahead and scroll down, click 1/4 inch Arial, and then type in our text. We do not want a leader, so let's go ahead and choose that one instead. Type in text. We're going to call this our I think it's our storefront. Our storefront door. And if you want to click in the door to see what it's called, if you just click in the door, you can go down here. It's our curtain wall double glass door. Let's call it what it's called there. So take out that text and call it curtain wall door double DBL. As long as it's adequately descriptive, I'm certain that's fine. This door, you click in here. It's a double flush, double acting door. We'll call that a double acting door. So we'll go to text. You can find that on your quick access toolbar. So we'll call that double acting door. Oh, I misspelled that. Gosh darn, I'm just not good at typing. That's just the way it is. I'm not good at inserting either, it looks like. I'll move that over a little bit so we can make our text a little bit more compact. So we don't have to go to the text button again. Let's go ahead and copy that. One, and then copy it one last time. Call this 30-inch single flush. Let's just delete that and just borrow some of this and bring that down over here, and we'll call that 30 inch or 36 inch, which is what it is. Oh boy, that was laborious. Okay, now we have our schedule. Let's insert that into a sheet. So let's go to our sheet, which is going to be our A1 ground floor plan, and we're going to insert that in. We're going to eventually call that or just 101, sheet 101. Legends, door legend. We'll drop that into place. There you have it. There's your legend. So when somebody's looking at the sheet, they're wondering what these doors are and what they need to order. Now we have a legend for it, and it's easy to follow. There you have it. Thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you soon.